Multiply 63 by 39 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Put 7 in this column and carry 2. 9 times 6 plus the carried 2 is 56. The first partial product is 567. Now use the tens digit, 3. Start one place to the left. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 6 is 18. The second partial product is 1890. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 7 plus 0 is 7. In the tens column, 6 plus 9 is 15. Put 5 in this column and carry 1. In the hundreds column, 5 plus 8 plus the carried 1 is 14. Put 4 in this column and carry 1. In the thousands column, 1 plus the carried 1 is 2. The product of the whole numbers is 2457. So 63 times 39 is 2457.